Hey there, welcome back. This is Brian again with SuperTech Services. Today we're going to show you guys how to install print drivers on a PC using Windows 10. Let's go ahead and go over to Google, type in KMBS drivers. You want to select the icon that says Onyx Web Drivers Konica Minolta. Type in your model. We're going to do the C360. Go ahead and click it. Select drivers. Okay, I'm using Windows 10, so we're going to scroll to Windows 10 and select PostScript. And go ahead and click this link here. That will start your download. I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to just open it up here. This is what it'll look like when it's done. It'll be zipped up. So just right click it and hit extract here, or in whatever location that you would like. When it's done extracting, it's going to pop up with the drivers folder like this. As soon as that's done, just go ahead and minimize this. In the bottom left hand corner, type printers. Add printer or scanner. You can let it search for the copier. If not, you can just select the button right below it. And go ahead and hit add printer using TCP/IP. Type in the IP address of your copier. This will be different for every production. Uncheck the query the printer box if it is checked. Select next. Select have disk on the right. And now you're going to browse to the location where you unzip the file. Mine is on the desktop. It'll be right there, drivers. Select driver. Drivers again. You can do PCL or PostScript. Usually I do PostScript. English. Windows 64, most computers have 64-bit processors. So go with 64. If it doesn't go through, then you just go back and select x86. Select the driver file. And then hit OK. And then next. Next again. This is where you can name it. Next again. If you'd like to share the printer, you can share it. If not, select do not share and hit next. And you're all set. You can print a test page, and when you're done, select finish. Please like, comment, subscribe. Everybody have a great day.